We're gonna discuss in this video the stocks that will have a volatility for Monday, because before Friday close, those stocks have a major unusual activity before the market close. We're gonna discuss where you get in, where the profit will be at, and where's the squeeze area for them. So let's start our video with NERV. We discussed it 3 days ago on our Patreon. As you can see here, we always do exclusive pre-market alert. Last time NERV was hitting our resistance around the $8.15, and what we said, we're gonna have a hold up above the $6.35, no closing candle, and the price held for 2 days, then jump around our profit taken before even the market closed. We getting near the $11.90. We went until the $10, over the $10. If we go back and see what happened, you see we went until the $10.74, and we have this major reversal as we said it 3 days ago, and the price went 62%. So what's the game plan for this stock? If we check, the volume is picking up, as you can look here, 66 million before the market close. We have a major support. Now we hold above it, and we held above it last Friday, the $8.44. What we should expect for Monday? For Monday, we might have a gap, because in after hours we have a volatility, I think almost 5% or 10% when the market closes in after hours. What we should expect in the pre-market, if we have pre-market testing this level of resistance around the $11.79, I will not enter until we break above the 12. This will be a trigger for another volatility, and the price will go to the $17 for next week. Imagine, this would be a crazy jump again around the 44%. Usually people tell me, okay Jesus, the stock already did 58%, 100%, it's already jumped. So the video you did, it make any sense because we can make profit. If we go back, I can't understand because it's kind of scary. Look back, we did 60% for this stock, then went down. We don't buy on the top, we take profit at the top, but we buy around the support. Last time we suggest to buy is around this area, the support. So there's always potential for another squeeze, only if we held above the support and we have a signal. We don't just jump in by FOMO. We jump in because our strategy tells us to hunt and get in. Anyway, so for this one, if the market open and we tested the $11.97 and we get rejected, I don't get in. As we said, we need to hold above the 12 in order to take our profit at 17. The other thing, if we get rejected around the $11.97 before the market open, is mean we're gonna test the $8.44 where we enter. If we held the same scenario, this support, the $8.44, and confirming no closing candle below, this is show us that there's still potential for squeeze. And you see stairways to heaven for this stock. If we held the $8.44, we're gonna have the 17 eventually. Next up, we have AMC. Look with me closely. Let's go back in the big picture. We have an ascending line. We respected last Friday. We tested around the $8.90, and we have a jump before the market close. You see, we have a hold up above this level. So this is a turning point for AMC. If you want to ask me why this is a turning point, would be a good question. So for the next week, if you want to buy AMC, the best dip for AMC, a lot of hunters, apes, traders waiting for the dip. Nobody can predict 100%, but we have a signal. The signal for not buying or waiting to buy the dip is breaking this ascending line. If we broke it, is mean we're gonna have the $7 first dip. $7.70, we're gonna have a major reversal. Otherwise, if we held here, will be the perfect signal for AMC is started reversing. The moment that we break the 10 and we see the 10 and hold up above the 10, this is mean we have to buy because the price will have a volatility. So don't feel FOMO. Don't feel FOMO. This is a new trader kind of way of thinking. You say, okay, Jesus, we have to buy now. The price might go higher. Of course, if it go higher, we need a signal to enter, not just jump in because the price go higher, because we might go here. You see this wick, we get cut. We don't want to have this happen to you, because it happened to me before when I start trading. When I see a big wick like this without strategy, I jump in and buy here around the 13. So why you buy around the 13 if you know if the price will go down even further? Just think about it. Of course, you don't know and you don't have strategy, that's why you bought. Simple, I know. However, here we have to have a strategy, hunter wave strategy. If you're new here, that's what we do here. We take profit, enter around the support, exit around the resistance. Simple, but hard to do, because it's mixed with like emotion. Trading is mixed with emotion, not just buying and selling. Okay, so the $10 will give us a signal to enter, so don't feel FOMO. If we break the $9.89 and hold above the 10, is mean we started to reverse, and this will be our bottom around this ascending line. Okay, otherwise we're gonna have the $7 dip, first dip, the best dip, the mother of our dip around the $5.50 here, if we didn't hold the $7.70, of course. Let me just go for the cruise ship company and the SPY, because we have many questions regarding the SPY, which is give us the signal for market reversing. So for the SPY, we have a rejection around the $4.30, and clearly it was a clear rejection, because last time we spoke about this level, we said the whole market will enter a bull run after we clear this level for the SPY above the 430 and closing above this ascending line. Unfortunately, we didn't. We have a massive short came in. Now we have to hold one level. We talked about it in the last live streaming that we always do on our YouTube channel here at 8 p.m. CET. You can attend for the next live streaming around this time. This is a critical area for the SPY to hold. If we went back even around this area, the 400, we need to hold above the 400, because if we close below the 400 for the next week and close below it, it means we're gonna have the price going down heavily. And this time, this level should hold for the SPY around this level, the 356. Go to Apple. Apple went down crazy because we kind of overextended, you know. Last time we talked about it, we said it's crazy overextended. We don't have any pullback. When we get near to all-time high, so this is normal to have kind of correction. There is a clear support. If we held it as for the SPY, if we held above the 400, we're gonna have a reversal for above the 156. This will be opportunity to load up on Apple if we held and consolidate here. And if you want to add more share, free share, when the price hit this support for Apple, you can, and Momo, because here there is some exclusive. You can get even up to 10 free stock with Apple. And if we go down and see which those stocks is AZO, AMC, Tesla, GRAB, and Palantir. And you have until 15th of September in order to get those free stocks. And how you can get them is pretty simple. You open an account with Momo. Second, you deposit $100 in order to get one free stocks value between the $8 up to $2,000. So what are you waiting for? Get you free share of Apple and the other stocks with my link in comment section below, or the notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open an account with Momo. Let me go back and check our squeeze stocks for Monday. Have many people talk about in Reddit, which is APRN. Look what's going on with it. We have a major support to hold for the next week. For my opinion, this will give us either a squeeze for next week or a massive short, which is holding above the $5.60. Here we don't want to have any price go below in order to have the same scenario as happened for NERV and the squeeze after we held above the $6.34. Everybody remember this support. For APRN, the same, we need to hold this level above the $5.60. The bottom, of course, above the $4.79. But we don't want to go here because this will give us a signal that there is a massive short. It's not like a sell-off if we held above $4.79 after we clear the $7, and we're gonna go for the $9.33, almost 30% for this one. BBBY have crazy level waiting to be broken for the Monday. Look what's going on. Let me go in smaller picture again in 1 hour candle. Look, we have a squeeze area around this triangle. The price testing this triangle so many times, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the price went down. However, when the market closed, we close above this EMA. A good indication for strength, for my opinion, above the $10.40. So what's the strategy? The strategy, I already put 2 alerts. One, you have to put it as well, okay? One around the 11.48, which give us a trigger to break the $12.50, the squeeze area. And the other, the alert around the $10, because if we break this triangle and we went below the $10, we're gonna have the $8 and the $6.50 bottom, the mother of all bottom for BBBY, as we said before. This alert is just giving you pre-signaling, okay? It's not an entry, but a pre-signaling. The best signal is breaking the $12.50 for BBBY, which take us around the 16.20. This will be a crazy volatility, and the price will jump 30% when we see this reaction for BBBY. Hopefully that's clear. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. We're gonna do update for crypto and stocks each day. Hit the notification, bless the like button if you like the video, of course. Give me your opinion, because here we have to learn from each other. So if my opinion doesn't fit your opinion, just let me know. This is good. I want to learn from you. So hopefully that was informative, and see you in the next update.